Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to update a quick in-depth comparison review about these two IT management tools, which is Atera and SuperOps. So let's get started with the in-depth side-by-side comparison about the two platforms. Atera in 2025 remains a favorite for managed service provider and small IT teams thanks to its all-in-one approach. It combines remote monitoring and management, personal service automation, which is PSA, ticketing, patch management, and reporting into a single cloud platform with unlimited device monitoring, strong integration, and a simple pricing per technician rather than per endpoint. Atera makes scaling IT service easy while keeping cost predictable. SuperOps, on the other hand, is a newer but fast-growing platform built with modern interface and automation at its core. It also blends RMM and PSA features, adding a smart workflow, AI assistant ticketing, handling, and asset management in a sleek, intuitive dashboard. OPS stand out for its flexibility and responsive support, make it appealing to teams looking for a fresh, agile alternative. And here's a better conclusion. So in 2025, you can choose Atera. So if you want, you can choose Atera if you want a proven, cost-effective IT management suite with features, with managed mature features, but go with OPS, SuperOps, if you prefer a modern automation-driven platform designed for future-focused IT teams. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.